In this tutorial, you'll learn how to register for a RecruitMilitary job fair. Let's get started. From your dashboard in the Upcoming Career Fairs section, select View All. This is the Veteran Job Fair Schedule page. Let's go over some of the tools to help you find your perfect event. At the top of the page, use the location search bar to find an event by city, state, or zip code. Upcoming career fairs near you can be found here. Job fairs for the next 2 months are listed here. Use the calendar for an alternative view of the schedule. Click on a specific day to see which events are happening on that day. Use the filters to narrow down the events that you can see. Search by event type, in person or online, the month that the event is occurring, or narrow down the list by state. Click on a career fair that you're interested in attending to get more information. If you decide this is the career fair for you, click Register Now. After registering for the event, you'll have a chance to review more detailed event information and update your profile. At the top of the page, you'll see your confirmation that you have registered to attend the event. Familiarize yourself with event information by reading through the tabs. Update your work interests by checking the boxes. These are important for employers who are willing to train. Take some time to prepare for the career fair. Read the success tips, complete your profile, and make sure to add your resume. If you don't have one, use our resume builder.